We're screwed, guys. We are screwed. You're screwed. You're screwed. You're screwed. You're screwed. I'm screwed. We're all screwed. And who's screwing us over? BMW.
It's BMW.
You know why? Because we've been screwing around with what is essentially their cars. You bought the car, you thought it was your car. Wrong. It's BMW's car. They still think it's their car. So they are tired of us fixing minor things on the cars, or like windows or adjusting little things. They're tired of that. You're screwing with them, you're screwing with their bottom line. They can't charge you a crazy amount of money to just open up a few screws. You know what they did? They're so mad at us for these screws that we're screwing around with their cars that they went and spent tons of money. It's not an easy thing what they did. They patenting a new type of screw. That's crazy. They spent their own money to develop a screw so that we can't unscrew things, so that we take the car to them and they can screw us over. Crazy. This Screwgates. It's Screwgates. I can't believe it. But I have to be honest. We have to be honest. These screws look amazing. Oh, these screws are beautiful. They are mwah. I love them. I love how they look. BMW, cool. You spent your money on these screws. But I'm waiting for I'm giving it 4 months max. Actually, a month max. There will be tools on the internet for these screws easily. Temu, AliExpress, Alibaba, somebody's gonna have our back. Someone in China is going to have our back. Don't worry, guys. We're not gonna be screwed for too long. It's a little screw, not a long screw. We're good. We're gonna be good, guys. I guess the pros are for BMW. That's it. The only pros that come with these screws is for BMW. Less people will be able to adjust and fix minor things, and they will be charged crazy amounts of money. Oh, your speakers, what, they loose? No, that's $15,000, and you have no choice because you're screwed. You're screwed, my brother. You're screwed. But I'm joking. Guys, the tools will be available very soon. The first person to discover the first company in China that will make this toolkit is going to make a killing, because then you're just going to sell it to the rest of the world, like the mechanics and DIY people, at a markup. That's it. That's all they're doing. They're just making a new black market. That's what I believe. But again, I'll say the screws look mwah. I can't wait to see what these screws look like in the end. What do you think about this? What's your take on this whole Screwgates? Do you think we'll have the tools by the end of the year, by the time they are introduced, or not? Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button. I am a small channel. Please help a brother out so that we can get to 1,000. Then after that, I will not be asking for people to follow. It'll be an organic thing. Thank you. Until the next video.